أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
وكل إنسان ألزمناه طائره في عنقه ونخرج له يوم القيامة كتابا يلقاه منشورا.
For every person we have attached his fate to his neck, and on the day of resurrection, we will bring out for him a book which he will find spread open.
اقرأ كتابك كفى بنفسك اليوم عليك حسيبا.
Read your book today, there will be none but yourself to call you to account.